Namaste. How is self worth connected with reported speech? Let us see that now. Reported speech, according to Oxford Learners Dictionary, is defined as a report of what somebody has said that does not use their exact words. The Collins Dictionary defines reported speech as speech which tells you what someone said but does not use the person's actual words. Reported speech is when we tell someone what another person said. To do this, we can use direct speech or indirect speech. Direct speech. I work in a bank, said Daniel. Indirect speech, Daniel said that he worked in a bank. The main point of a reported speech is the speech reports consistently of two parts: the reporting clause and the reported clause. The reporting clause includes a verb such as say, tell, ask, reply, shout, and usually in the past, simple and reported clause includes what the original speaker said. How is it related to self worth? Self worth is a big capability of a person to see himself in a better light. If we need to improve our insight about why we are the way we are, we need to comprehend the nature of current events. We need to gain an informed understanding of the past events that led to the present events. The exercise on reported speech may be used to revisit the value of integrity and self esteem. In reported speech, a person reports something that is said to them, something that they hear to another person. However, there is a certain accountability in ensuring that when reporting the same, it is not distorted. That is, the essence of the message is not changed, or details are not omitted or added that would make the message or the information inaccurate. If someone does this consciously and deliberately, it means they lack integrity. Communication involves integrity, the values of honesty, trust, responsibility, accountability, sensitivity, caring, empathy, respect, and so on. It may also be touched upon when we talk about integrity and self worth. Now you will answer the following questions.